Welcome back to the channel to another build. This time we have a 2015 Citroen Berlingo Multispace XTR. This is the 1.6 brake horsepower DV6 diesel engine with the 5-speed manual gearbox. It's covered 65,198 miles. It is Euro 6 compliant. It has 2 previous keepers, 2 keys, and is on the insurance register as a Category S due to the rear damage. On the inside it has such features as remote central locking with folding mirrors, cruise control with speed limit function, power steering, air conditioning, rear parking sensors, and touchscreen multimedia system with MP3, DAB, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Do keep an eye out for the update video on this car coming soon. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and if you like this kind of content, that way you won't miss out on any upcoming builds. Do also hit that thumbs up and share the channel, because you just never know, we might have a car that your friend is looking for. But that's it for now on this video. I do thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you again on the next one.